In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. If you create content for different topics or audiences, keeping those videos separated under their own channels can make your brand clearer and your analytics easier to read. The best part is, you don't need to juggle different logins. You can manage everything with a single Google account. Start by signing into YouTube with your existing Google account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. On the Settings page, find the option that says Add or Manage Channels. This is where YouTube lets you organize channels under one login. Click Create a new channel. You'll be asked to enter a channel name. Pick a name that clearly reflects the content or audience for that channel, then click Create. And that's it, you've just made a new YouTube channel. Technically, YouTube calls this a brand account. It sits under your same Google login, but it operates as its own channel with separate videos, playlists, subscribers, and notifications. You can repeat this process to make as many channels as you need. Each one can have its own branding, including a unique name, icon, and banner, and you can assign different managers if you're collaborating with others. Keeping visuals and descriptions distinct on each channel helps viewers instantly understand what they'll get when they subscribe. When you want to move between your channels, click your profile icon again, choose Switch Account, and select the channel you want to use. You'll know you're in the right place because the channel name and icon will update across YouTube Studio and the main site. Uploads, watch histories, and recommendations stay separated, so each channel can develop its own identity and audience at its own pace. That separation also keeps your workflow cleaner, especially when you plan content for different niches. Remember, everything is tied to your single Google login, so protecting that account protects all of your channels. Turn on two-step verification and set strong, unique recovery options in your Google account security settings. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access and helps ensure you don't lose control of any channel. To recap, log in, go to your profile menu, open Settings, choose Add or Manage Channels, create a new channel, name it, and you're ready to build. Use Switch Account to hop between channels anytime. With this setup, you can keep niches separate, collaborate cleanly, and grow more strategically, all without managing multiple logins.